Hello graphic designers, this is your host Mr. Grayland here, and I'm going to make a shoebox for these Uchiha ones. So to start off with, I'm going to find just a regular box like this. I'm going to copy this image or copy any image here. Right click, copy image, and I'm going to bring that into Pixlr. I'm going to make it nice and big. Now it's kind of nice that this is a black box, and actually most of the designs I'm going to put on it are also black. So this is going to work really well, but it doesn't have to be that way. To start off with, I'm going to take this, I'm going to make rectangles for each of the sides. So I'm going to copy this rectangle and paste it into Pixlr. Now the only thing that makes this work is this free distort tool. So I'm going to start by kind of making this about the right size there as the box, and then I go to edit, free distort, and I'm going to line up these points at the different points of the box, so it looks like it's in perspective. Alright, there we go. And I'm going to do that for all the different rectangles. Now since these two sides here are basically just part of that black top, I'm going to just use the polygon lasso tool and draw that box there. And I'm going to draw that box there. Now this is just for the lid, and the lid is going to be black. I'm going to paint that in. Now, even though it's a black box, like the whole thing isn't black, and you can kind of add a little bit of pizzazz to it by dodging here. So I'm going to click the dodge burn tool. I'm going to go to lighten, click on shadows. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, and I'm going to turn the strength down and just paint it a little bit there and there. What that does is it kind of just gives a little bit of a change in value, which a real box would have. Now I'm going to go grab my other picture, my other rectangle, and I'm going to paste that on the sides here. Size it up to about the right size, edit, free distort, and now I'm going to match the points to the corners. And I'm going to make a duplicate of this. So I can right click and duplicate layer, or I can go to layer and duplicate layer, edit, transform, flip horizontal, and then again edit, free distort, and get it stretched out to that end of the box there. And there you have it. That's how you make a box. Now if I want all of these layers to be together as one layer, it's pretty easy to do. I'm going to, in the layers area, I'm going to hold the shift button down on the keyboard and click on the different layers. So that selects all the layers so they're all selected at the same time. Now I'm going to go to this, and I'm going to go to merge down, click on the three dots again, merge down again, and now it's all one layer. So I can very easily put this behind my shoe, and I have a nice box in the background.